quick unboxing of the Lightly Bright portable outdoor cook stove. It's the one with the two doors. As other people will announce, I bought this with my own money. It's a competitor to the leading one, which I don't know if it's made in the US. I don't think it is. This one is not made in the US. But it's still, I bought it because I'm cheap and it was not overly expensive. Comes with instructions, some decent foam packing. Decent foam packing. Stove itself and some more packing. And a little thing. Solid on the bottom. Fairly light. It ain't no 25 pounds, that's for sure. So whereas the other ones have clay inside or some kind of like terracotta or ceramic, this one has that like woolly stuff that insulates pretty well as well. It's like almost like a blanket. Two doors. Well, and that goes in the front. If you can see it. Seems like decent enough quality. Phillips head screws on here and a mixture of rivets and screws on the front. I'm happy with it. Seems sturdy. I'll let you know once I try it.